Okay, so in this video, we'll take a look at a very useful thing that you can do, which is how to gray out a input text field. So what I mean by that is, for example, I have this field here that I don't want people touching. I don't want them to be able to modify this, and I want to grayed out. So pretty self-explanatory. The thing that we'll need to do this is a custom view, custom edit view that will need to be created. There is a video that I'll put in the description that actually explains how to create that edit view. We need to inject some, we need to add some custom JavaScript that is going to be graying out the button for us, and away we go. So it's very straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and open up the edit view, the custom edit view that was created for this specific module, which is going to be the contract edit. So right now I'm inside that custom edit view, and I'm going to add a custom JavaScript snippet, which is going to be added like so. So we're going to be declaring the variable JavaScript, which is going to contain our actual JavaScript. We're going to be doing it using the window.onload function. So basically telling JavaScript that wait until the page loads before doing it. And then our actual function is called grayout field. And then we pass the name of the field that we want to gray out. This is the function that we're calling, and this is the function itself, which is going to be doing the work for us. It's pretty straightforward once again. So a field stands for active field. We're going to be going to the document, query selector. We're going to be looking for that specific field. So in your case, what you would do is basically inspect the element. We're going to look for what is the input name of this specific field. So we're dealing with simple text fields here. You can adapt it to your needs if it's another type of field. And what we're doing is looking up the name. So in this case, the name is original price. And by passing that name here, it's going to go into the document. Using the query selector, it's going to look for that field, which is the input field. So input field with the name of, in this case, it's going to be the original price, C. We're going to set the field to disabled, and then we're going to make the background color like so. Very important to note. So when you're doing this, you're disabling the field from being submitted. You're not submitting this field when you click save. So that's super important. And in my case, that's okay because that field is already registered in the database. But if you're doing something like, I don't know, person fills out this field here, then they click on another button, and then by clicking on that other button, this field then gets grayed out. This is not a good approach because once it gets grayed out, you're not going to be submitting it. So just keep that in mind, that making it grayed out makes it so it does not submit that value to the form, it's ignored. And that's essentially it. So the function was, this is the definition of the actual function. And then you're going to be calling the function like so, passing it the name, and that's going to gray out the field. Don't forget to do repair and rebuild when you're doing this, and then it's going to do what we just described. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please let me know. Do subscribe because I'm going to be making more of these in the future, and have an excellent day. And leave a like if you found it helpful, please. Thank you so much. Take care.